the 2011 Chevrolet HHR. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.